Now, coming to the financial blocks, we have often seen people telling us that they don't get appreciated for the work they do, they don't get enough of the remuneration that they work for, or no matter how hard they try, they're never able to get as much of the profit they want out of their business. Sometimes people come with us with the issue that they've been cheated by their partners and friends, and they are having losses in their businesses. So there was this gentleman who saw a past life where he cheated his best friends in the business. He took away the money from the business and never returned it back to them. And then he could actually understand that why in the current life his friends have only cheated him in the business and they ran away with his money. And to his surprise, the people who cheated him in this current life were actually the same people whom he had cheated in the past life. So now in this lifetime, he could actually make peace with it. He could understand that why is it happening to him, why his best friends cheated on him, and he could actually forgive them and move on. Obviously, the financial losses would take time to recover, but he could let go of the grudges and start from the scratch again. So this is how past life regression therapy works. It actually helps you find answers to your questions, and it actually gives you solutions to your questions or your issues here. So basically, this is how past life regression therapy works, where you actually find answers to your questions. You understand why certain things are happening with you, because obviously there's a karmic connection to it. And once you heal that karmic baggage, or you heal the karmas with the souls whom you have harmed in your past life, you can move forward in your life with less of the karmic baggage. And also, you understand that. Everything that's happening with you is happening because you have lessons to learn and karmas to clear. So it gives you a lot of clarity and also helps you find solutions to your problems. Sometimes we just do a session and there is an immediate relief in somebody's life. Sometimes the results show up after, say, 2 months, 3 months. But definitely, it gives you a very clear picture of what is happening in your life, and it also helps you find solutions, and it helps you have a better life. So if you are interested in healing yourself, if you're interested in healing your life and your past life karmas, then do join our workshop. Thank you so much.